Hi there. My name is Alice. What's your name?
Hi Alice. I'm Bob. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Bob. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect. So, where are you from, Alice?
I'm from Chicago. Have you ever been there?
No, I haven't, but I've heard it's a great city. I'm from New York. Have you been there?
Yes, I visited New York last year. It's an amazing place. Do you live here now?
Yes, I moved here last year for work. What about you?
I moved here a few months ago for school. I study at the university. What do you do for work?
I work at a software company. I'm a programmer. What are you studying?
I'm studying biology. I want to become a researcher.
That sounds interesting. What made you choose biology?
I've always been fascinated by how living things work. I love learning about the human body and nature. What about you? How did you get into programming?
I've always enjoyed solving problems and working with computers, so programming felt like a natural choice. Plus, I love creating new things. Do you have any hobbies, Alice?
Yes, I love reading books, especially mysteries, and I enjoy hiking on the weekends. How about you?
I enjoy playing soccer with friends and watching movies. I also like to travel when I get the chance.
That's great. Traveling is so much fun. Do you have a favorite place you visited?
I really loved visiting Japan. The culture is fascinating, and the food is amazing. What about you? Any favorite travel destinations?
I loved visiting Italy. The history and the food were incredible. I hope to go back someday. Do you speak any other languages?
I can speak a little Spanish. I'm still learning. How about you?
I can speak a bit of French. It's fun to practice, especially when traveling. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Luna. She's very playful and loves to explore.
That's cute. Pets can be such great companions. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. I like trying out new recipes. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. It's simple but delicious. Do you have a favorite dish?
I enjoy making homemade pizza. It's always fun to try different toppings.
That sounds delicious. Maybe we can cook together sometime.
I'd love that. It was really nice meeting you, Bob. I'm glad we had a chance to chat.
Nice meeting you too, Alice. Let's definitely hang out again soon.
Absolutely. See you around, Bob.
See you, Alice.